Welcome to another Getting Fresh Air video. In this video, we leave the fast-paced life of Williamstad for the much more laid-back life in Playa Lagun. This will be the location of our second Airbnb while staying in Curaçao, so stick around for a walkthrough of this house that's located right on the water. The house we stayed in this location is circled on the left hand side of the screen and was a very easy walk or a little bit of a swim, a little easier with fins to Playa Lagun. At Playa Lagun there's two restaurants shown by the green circles and a dive shop shown by the yellow circles. This is probably a great spot to mention. We are not sponsored by or affiliated with this Airbnb location. We're just wanting to show you this house in case you're looking for something similar for your vacation. And if you're looking for more restaurants, it's an easy 10-minute drive to the north to Playa Forte, and you'll also pass many other beach options along the way. This house was called the Magic Villa. We'll put a link in the description below. Now here's Kelly with a walkthrough.
To our villa. This is the oceanfront villa. Got a little kitchen right here, nice refrigerator, sink, microwave, coffee maker, a toaster, another oven, stovetop, nice little kitchen table. This is our living area where we do our living. Air conditioner, and it's in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Washing machine, dryer.
Yes, we just got here, but we're already doing wash. And a half bath.
Half bath. Hey, who's talking this?
Sorry.
Let's go upstairs. Nice little landing up here. Bedroom number 2, king size bed. Pretty view of the mountains.
Looks like with its own balcony too.
It has got its own balcony.
In the mountains and a church across the street.
TV. Another air conditioner in this room. Bathroom with a walk-in shower, rainfall. Bedroom number 1. Nice little writing desk to do all your writing.
For sending your postcards.
Another air conditioner. Each room has its own air conditioner. Another king-size bed. It's a really crappy view. I will be getting coffee right there in the morning.
I can do that probably.
Nice big closet, walk area, dressing area. Oh.
Ooh, robes.
Oh. And the softest robes. Oh.
You even got the emblem on it.
You even got the oceanfront villa emblem.
Magic Village.
These are so soft. I have to take one of these home.
Whatever.
Got a safe. Lots of extra blankets. bathroom. Do have to
Ooh.
watch out for people on the deck while you take a shower.
Shower with a view. You said watch your deck. Oh, and those doors do look. It's a three by door, so those open at least. Yeah, that'll get some air in here, huh?
That would be cool if it was.
And then the balcony off the master, and a little bit of a view. Hey, look, the sun's going down.
Let's go back downstairs and we'll walk out on the patio. Go outside. It's the main point. Another
Double slider.
tri-folding glass door.
Nice.
Nice tabletop. This is a shared patio, so if someone's renting the unit next to us, we would have to share this. But right now, there's not anybody there, so we get all this to ourselves. But guys, y'all, that's not the only deck. Let's go down here. Deck number 2. Got some lights that'll come on.
Oh yeah.
So guys, that patio is a little covered, so if it's raining or you don't want to be all in the sun all day, that's a good spot for you. Got an outdoor shower. What?
I didn't know that was even here.
Let's go back up this way. This is another shared patio.
So patio what, 3?
Patio number 3. Nice card game deck, chair, table. We do have a barbecue. Even more, let's go.
Oh, there's more?
This has got to be the coolest part, guys. Alright guys, down here we have a cool ladder. The ladder comes up, it'll swing back up, come back down. You can jump right in the ocean from right here. Do all the snorkeling. There's caves up underneath there. It's a 10 out of 10.
Alright, that brings us to the end of our 6th video in our Curaçao series. If you found this beneficial, hit that like button, and be sure to check out our other videos in the Curaçao playlist. Be sure to check the description area if you're looking for more information and links about this house. And until next time, we hope to see you out there getting fresh air. Consider subscribing to our channel for other videos on camping and overlanding, international travel, how-to videos, hiking, snorkeling and scuba, off-roading, canoe and kayaking, and other adventures. And we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.